All right, guys, I wanted to jump into my email real quick and just show you this commission that I got. This was like 2 hours ago. And you can see I got a commission for $397, another $397 in affiliate commissions. And if you've been following my channel, you know that I've been getting these commissions with a lot of regularity, these mid-ticket and some high-ticket commissions, as well as low-ticket commissions if you've been following what I've been doing. Now, the name of the game is all about email marketing and list segmentation. And what I really want to get across to you guys in this video today is that you don't have to be a fancy guru. You don't have to have a huge following. You don't have to have all these other advanced skills and tactics to start generating this type of income on a daily basis. And in this video today, I want to show you exactly how to do it. So I go by the name of John McNeil, and in this video, like I said, guys, I'm going to be showing you how I've been able to generate these mid-ticket and these high-ticket offers with a lot of regularity in my business. And it all comes down to two words, and those two words are all I do is press send. Press send, guys. Yes, I'm talking about email marketing. So you don't have to be some big influencer or some big guru, but if you learn how to just do proper email marketing, you can make money with your affiliate marketing business. So you guys just follow along, and I'll actually also drop some resources in the description of this video so you guys can go ahead and proceed with your affiliate marketing campaign. So let's go to get started. So obviously, first and foremost, everything starts off with quality traffic. Now, a few weeks ago, I actually did a video on the best solo ad vendors that I'm actually using in my business right now. So if you guys didn't watch that video, I'm going to pop that thumbnail on the screen now. Make sure you watch that video. I'll have it in the description of this video. I'll also give you some discount codes with a couple of the vendors, but what you really want to be getting is quality, responsive leads to hit your actual squeeze page. Now, the next thing you want to make sure that you do if you want to succeed at email marketing is you have to be capturing as many of those leads as possible. So you want to really have a squeeze page that's converting at about 40 to 50%. I also did a video, I want to say last week, where I showed you guys some of my squeeze page examples through lead pages. I'll link that video in the description. It'll show you what you should have on your squeeze page, what you be thinking about when you're actually crafting your squeeze pages, and also how you can actually get my same squeeze pages that I'm using that are generating 50% opt-in rates as we speak. So of course, once they opt in, they're going to see a sales page, and then if they purchase, they will go ahead and be a buyer. And typically what I'm doing is I'm actually selling them a low price product. And when I say low price product, that doesn't mean that the product is garbage. I want to make sure that any type of product that I'm selling them, that is still going to bring them value, even though it's a low cost price point. Now, if they don't purchase on the first visit, which many people don't, I have this autoresponder, right? And it sends out emails on demand. So I don't have to think about it. I don't have to do anything. And I have about 365 emails, right? So for a whole year, these leads are going to be receiving my offers to that low ticket offer of my choice. Now I can switch this out anytime I want to and promote anything that I want to. But the point is these leads that are coming in and receiving these emails from day to day to day to day for 365 days, they're going to be either faced with opting out of my list or going ahead and purchasing that low ticket product. Now, once that person has actually purchased a low ticket product, I have a third party software that I'm using that automatically moves these buyers that are on this first, what I call my raw list, to what we call a buyers list right here. So now they're on this buyers list. And so the important thing about email marketing, guys, is what I really want you guys to understand is you're not doing this just to build a list, right? So the purpose of like building a list is not just to build a list as big as you can, just to say, oh, I have 10,000 people on my email list. What you want to do is you want to build a buyer's list, because look, if they're not buying your products, you're not making any money. So who cares if you have 50,000 people on your list? If they're not buying anything, it doesn't matter. I'd rather have 1,000 buyers on my list than 50,000 people just sitting there as freebie seekers and not doing anything. So these people are automatically moved to my buyers list. I don't have to think about it. It just happens through this third-party software, right? And now that they're on my buyers list, I have another automated email campaign that these people start receiving. And then I'm selling what? Mid-ticket offers, right? And so now they're on this list and I'm selling them mid-ticket offers, and they'll stay on this list until they buy a mid-ticket offer, and then I will subsequently move them to another buyer's list where I can sell them high-ticket offers. And this process just never ends. And I just keep feeding my funnel with good quality traffic. And so sales are going to spit out here, sales are going to spit out here, sales are going to spit out in my high-ticket campaign as well. Now, if you want the step-by-step blueprint on how to actually build all of this step-by-step, I will have a link in the description for this course. It's called Passive Income Profit. This is how I learned how to build out that whole email marketing campaign. It's called Passive Income Profits, guys. Now, there's 3 levels of membership with Passive Income Profits, but all you need here is the $7 membership. The $7 membership comes with 100 training videos and strategies on how to do what? Email marketing, right? There's also training about social media marketing, paid ads, and how to create your course. But this is what you really want to focus in on, is the email marketing training. And you can get that for $7 one time. So for $7 one time, you can learn how to build out this, right? So I'll have the links in the description, Passive Income Profits. It'll be the first link in the description. I also have the videos about the traffic and how I'm getting great opt-ins on my squeeze page. So make sure you check out all the resources in the description. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. If you like these type of videos, make sure you hit that like button. It just lets me know that you guys are enjoying this content, and I'll continue to make it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.